What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm back working on my Chinese diesel heater. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to it, how I got it all ready, and we'll fire it up for the first time. So let's get this started. Here's all the things that I got done. I extended the wire on the controller to about 10 feet, so it will always reach into my rooftop tent. I extended the leads for the power to go on the battery box, and then as you can see over here, I have my inline fuel filter, because you know diesel's dirty fuel, and you never know what you're gonna get. And another YouTuber on the last video commented about this fuel line. As you can see, it doesn't kink or anything. It's for the RC cars, their fuel lines. So I was waiting for this to come in the mail, because I went all around town trying to find the 3/16, and nobody had it. Everybody has that tiny stuff that you use on the RC cars. So that's pretty much it. I got some diesel fuel in there. Gonna set it all up, fire it up, and see how it works. Alright, so I got it all set up. Got it all hooked up to the power. Let's press the button and see what happens.
Welcome to your air heater. Start heating level 10.
This thing's kind of weird. Chinese lady talks to you in English, but hopefully it fires up. I hear things working in there. So we got the pump working now. It's getting fuel moving, so hopefully it fires up. This is exciting. Alright, starting to get somewhere. It's really pumping now. I smell of burning diesel, so I guess we're finally cooking. Yeah, I feel it getting warm. Ah, this is awesome. Smells like a diesel truck. So it looks like it got all the air out of the first part of the line until after the pump. And it's now starting to kind of get it to where the line's filled with fuel, not just with fuel and air. So I'm gonna let it run until it gets all the air out of it. So it looks like we got 10 different settings. 10 will be the highest, and it goes down all the way to 1. And level 1 is the quietest. Level 10 is your loudest. So like I said, this is awesome, and I'll put a link for this particular one that I got off of Amazon, so if anyone's interested, they could look it up themselves and get it if that's what they're looking for. But I also got a 3-inch flex hose that I'm gonna run into the tent, and then I'm gonna drill these out to get this protector thing off, and extend something out to where I could put another one and run basically a circle, so the air that it's heating up is already warm, not exactly from the outside. But for my first trip, I'm probably just gonna run it this way just to see how it all works. So that's the update on the heater. Next week, which is the 28th or 29th, I plan on going camping for like an overnight to actually test this thing out on my tent, and I'm gonna also see how the box works. So the only thing I got to figure out is how I'm going to hang this thing up. First I wanted to put it on top of the roof, but that's not really going to work because this exhaust, this exhaust right here gets really hot and I don't want to mess up my paint. So I gotta either kind of suspend it or just have it off the ground and run my what's called the flex pipe, whatever you want to call it, into the tent to warm it up. But we'll figure that out when we go camping. So by the way, we hit 1,000 subscribers this past week, so thanks to everyone who subscribed, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.